Fix Google Meet cannot join problem. If you're unable to join to any of the calls using either code or link, then in this video I'll show you how to fix that. So start by simply closing the application from your menu, close all, then hold on to the app for some time and tap on the app info icon right over here. Then scroll down to the storage section, and once you are in the storage section, here you'll find cache and data option. Sometimes old cache and cookies often prevent connection, so what you're going to do is simply tap on clear cache and that's it. Now head back and tap on force stop icon right over here, tap on OK. Now simply close the application. Also make sure that you have allowed your notifications. Tap on the notifications bar or go to the permission section and see all of these options are ticked on, such as microphone and contacts, camera, and make sure these, including notification, they are all toggled on. If this doesn't fix, then go to your Play Store and go to the search bar and search for Meets and see if any update is available. Now tap on the Google Meet, and if any update is available, there will be an update icon right over here, and you make sure to tap on that. For future use, you can see there is an enable auto update option that will auto update if there is an update arriving. So if it was open, that means your app is already up to date. Simply tap on open and now try joining to the call, and while joining, make sure that you enter the code correctly or that the link that you or any of your friends send is correct. And make sure that you have your internet connection is stable. So simply tap on airplane mode on, then wait for 10 to 15 seconds for it to reset your internet connection, then turn it off and switch back to your Wi-Fi. If your Wi-Fi speed is too slow, then you can always switch back to your mobile data by simply tapping on right over here. And that's it, guys. By following these steps, you can easily fix this problem. Thank you for watching the video. If you find this video useful, consider liking and subscribing to the channel.